Hi everyone, it's Succulents Box here. We're back with another video about succulent arrangements for beginners. Today we'll be making two arrangements for you, one for indoor plants and one for outdoor plants. Each will be using around 10 plants for a pot of around 6 inches. Here we go. For an indoor arrangement, we recommend that you pick plants that do well indoors. For example, here we choose Haworthia zebra, Haworthia cymbiformis, string of pearls, and Semperrium calcareum. The rule of thumb is to choose a tall succulent with a trailing one and fill them in with rosette type succulents. Let's start planting. First, make sure your plants are bare root. We start from the rim first. The tall succulents go first. Then the rosette types. And last, our trailing plants to fill in the rest. Here we go. Let us know what you think. Then, next we have our outdoor arrangement. This arrangement would be fine by a bright window or outdoor if you're in zone 10 or 11. For this arrangement, we pick some echeverias with some sedums, which would go well together very easily. Here are Echeveria topsy-turvy, Echeveria agavoid Christmas, sedum golden moss, Echeveria neon breaker, and Echeveria painted lady. You could switch these plants out easily with other types of Echeveria and sedum. Let's start planting. Again, we start from the rim, starting with the biggest one. Filling the pot with these beautiful rosettes, one by one. Then some sedum for the rest. Here we go. Not that hard, is it? Let us know what you think in the comment below, and please subscribe for more of our beautiful succulents. Thank you. See you next time.